Hello friends, how you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Aina, and today's video I'll be showing you guys different shades and different brands, different type of foundation for oily skin. Okay, I've been getting questions concerning that, asking me to list out nice products for oily skin, and I've been able to couple out this beautiful foundations, and I hope you found it really helpful. So if you've watched up to this point or this time or minute, you can do well by smashing the red subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it. And if you have any requests or anything concerning makeup, please feel free to ask me. I'll be sure to do a video concerning that. And again, stay tuned. Make sure to on your notification bell. That way you always get a video every time we upload. I do everything beauty and lifestyle, so you might like it here. Alright, I'll allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the videos, and I'll see you guys again in my next one.